Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from Destinations by DelCastillo. And today we are at the famous Peabody Hotel in Memphis, Tennessee. This is an executive king room on the 8th floor. We just checked in, it's at night, so I'm not going to be able to really show you the views, but we do have some nice views of downtown. And this is the hotel that's famous for its ducks that stay in the lobby fountain all morning. It's a much older hotel, so it's got some funny quirks, like the closet is in the bathroom. It was actually kind of hard to find. So anyway, an executive king room does have a seating area. They give you complimentary water. The pillow has the little famous Peabody ducks on it. You'll see them everywhere. Not the ducks, the duck little symbols and stuff, but you can also go up to the rooftop and see where they live when they're not in the fountain. So anyway, there you have it. That's the basic room. It's very generous size. Some of the rooms are quite small here, and some of them are huge. Again, because it's an older building and it's been retrofitted. Every time they update, they change things around. Here's the bathroom. They have a nice spa here, so they have really great amenities in the bathroom. And I'm going to do my best to show you the closet. It was actually behind the bathroom door in this particular room. Same basic stuff, luggage rack, safe, ironing board, iron, stuff if you need. Plenty of hangers and stuff if you need to send out for laundry or dry cleaning. Okay, anyway, they have done a good job of keeping it really updated. So we appreciate you watching. We hope that any of our videos are helpful when trying to decide and plan on your travel. We would love it if you'd help us build our channel by liking and subscribing. And feel free to leave comments or questions. And thanks again for watching another video from Destinations by DelCastillo, and safe travels. Don't forget to tip housekeeping.